Today, I want to give you an update about Kaizen Space and talk to you about one of the most boring things about this software. Sorry, James. So, Kaizen Space, a web-based video conferencing platform. I've been using it for the last week and a half. I've moved a lot of my clients over. I've used it with single clients, one-on-one, and with my group clients. And I have to say, the experience has been really good. Right now, I'm recording this review on Kaizen Space, and I'm actually working on a Mac Mini Neo, which is the new Mac, not Mac Mini, the MacBook Neo, which is the new MacBook, which is the entry-level MacBook, and it's working like a charm. What you can do with Kaizen Space is you can have interactive meetings, you can share documents, you can also have, for example, notes that you can keep on the side when you're talking to clients that you need. But I think the most powerful thing is the recording feature. Why? Because when you record, it automatically transcribes the recording and gives you an AI summary. And I found that the AI summary is very, very good. Now, where do all these recordings and summaries live? Well, as part of Kaizen Solutions, if I just share my screen here, and we'll go and we'll have that really weird 1970s effect here in a second. Let me just make sure. There we go. Okay, so this is here. If I just click on this tab, you will see that this is flow. Now, what is flow? Flow is where you have space. And this is where all of your recordings flow and all of your documents flow. So what I think is interesting here is, okay, I've upgraded to tier 2, so I have 300 gigabytes of storage, but I can go in here and I can see all of my recordings here by date, okay, by time, etc. And if I go into one of these, let me see, for example, this magnet kit here, you will see the MP3, the MP4, should I say, and the actual transcript here. So if I double click on that transcript, let me just make sure the transcript, you will see it. If I double click on that transcript, you will actually see the transcript of this particular flow, this particular recording that I did, and it gives you the transcript here. So the summary and the transcript. Now, the great thing about Flow here is that it allows me to save everything here. And this is the boring part of the video, because Flow doesn't do anything exciting yet, but Flow allows me to save all of my files here, create folders. I can actually create to-dos as well if I wanted to have a to-do. Okay, review video. And I can just create that, and I have these to-dos assigned. So it's a nice workspace that you have. I can share here, I can have team files, I can have my own files, I can see all my recordings, I can see snapshots. And snapshots are when I take a snapshot of a meeting, and that will come up now, and you will see the amazing snapshot here. Okay, this was just something I wanted to show. Actually, there's James there when we were doing a share. So I can do snapshots of any part of the meeting. I can have my notes here, which I have, okay, with my different students. And then I can have my team files. So if I was working in a team, I could have all of the team files here. So Space is really good. I'm not sure. I think the LTD is gone on Space, which is the video conferencing. And at the moment, Flow is available. So you can have all of your different files located there. And I will be moving everything over, I think, to Flow. I have to keep probably Zoom. I have to keep Teams for some clients, because some clients, their firewalls, their security departments, their IT departments only allow these major systems in. But so far, I have to say, Flow and Space have been amazing. James, let me just stop here. James, the founder, has been amazing. Really, really available. Always willing to answer questions. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.